Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So we are doing the 14-week home organization challenge sponsored by Tony Hammersley over at A Bowl Full of Lemons. Welcome to our garage. So it's week number 2 and we are in the pantry. But we actually have 2 pantries in our house. We have one pantry that's in the house, and then we have overflow storage in our garage. So if you can see behind me, these are our storage shelves. We keep a lot of shelf-stable items out here, or a lot of things that we have gained with coupons that we try to recycle through pretty quickly. So I decided to throw this into week 2, the pantry, instead of waiting till we do the week for the garage, because it's really a pantry. So here's what the kids and I are going to do. We have 5 shelves that we're going to be using, 5 columns. They go up and down, and we will go from top to bottom, and only food will go in those shelvings, or home items, you know, deodorant, toothpaste, things like that. So any food, home items, things that we're going to use, personal feminine products, toothpaste, different things like that, will go in the food section. So we're only doing the food section today. On the other side, I have homeschool, which I really need to go through and declutter. That may be one of my weeks. I may put homeschool in one of the weeks. Launchpad week maybe, I don't know. So I have that side for homeschool, and then I have some home improvement, different things that I would normally keep in the garage that I do need to organize as well. But for today, we're just doing foodstuffs. So come along with us as we tackle and declutter our garage pantry.